Hi YouTube and TikTok. In this 11th tutorial, I want to teach you 3 basic things in multimedia HTML files. I'm Devil, welcome. So I will teach you how to insert audios, videos and the online media. During the earlier versions of HTML, some of the medias were not supported, and up to now some of them have been reduced as the technology is advancing day by day. Try to look at these two pictures of the audio formats. So MP3 is the best format for compressed recorded music. So MP3 is the most common right now. So we had others like MIDI, the musical instrument digital interface. So they were reduced to functionality because they only play the electronic cards. It doesn't have the real sound as in MP3. So we have so many of them, but the most common one, if you look down here, is MP3, WAV and OGG audio. So these ones are supported by the current HTML standards. The others may be unsupported by other browsers. So I will give you an alternative of how you will escape this scenario. For videos, if you observe this picture, we have the MPEG, AVI and others. Some are not supported by the current browser and the HTML5. So the most common one is MP4, which came from the MPEG group. So MPEG means the Moving Picture Expert Group. So they first invented MPEG and nowadays they have improved to MP4. So MP4 normally uses the video cameras and TV hardware. So it is supported by both televisions and the cameras. So now back to our codes. Audios are placed in an audio tag. Now the next step you will do, you add the controls so that we see. So the controls are the plugins that will allow you to pause the audio or video for sounding, volume, and each browser comes with its own format and the playback speed, like if you are using the Chrome. So that's the work of controls. Now if you want to insert your audio, now it must go into a source. You remember source is also applied in the picture, in the image pictures. So source normally allow you to give multiple audios that are relevant or supported by a certain browser. So it is advisable that you include as many audio formats as possible, so that when your website is interacting with different web browsers, so the browser will recognize the audio file that is supported and it will display that one. Then you write src equals to, now you include the URL. I have an audio in my assets and in audios, and it is an MP3. So you can confirm from here. If you go to my desktop and tutorials, you will find assets and audios. We'll copy the name and then paste. So it will be .mp3. So the type will be equals to, into quotation, the audio stroke mp3. So I will try to run. So you'll see the audio is existing. If you click on play, it will start playing.
Love is a beautiful thing created by God. He who finds a wife finds a good thing. JDB play Willy ball in the lane.
So that's how interesting it is. For videos, including the video, then you, as usual, you can add the controls. So try to run. So in my Chrome, that's how it is displayed. The video is not yet there. It is the default controls we have. You add the source. So you can add so many video formats to allow the browser to choose for itself the supported file format. So the URL goes here, copy the name, space it here, then dot mp4, and the type of the file is /mp4. So that's the syntax for inserting media files. Try to run. So if you run, you will see a very big video there. So you can resize by inserting the height and the width. 200 pixel and the width equals to 300 pixel. So if I save and refresh, yeah, so my video has already been there. So if I try to play, you see,
macho yalikuona, moyo ukakuchagua, mdomo ukasema na kupenda.
Mute, you can continue, you can pause. You have some attributes like muted, will play without the sound. Then if I refresh, it will play without the sound because of the word muted. Like autoplay. So whenever the page will load, the video will autoplay. Though some clients don't like this because it uses a lot of data. If you leave the controls, some digital browsers like Chrome, so you will see the video is there but doesn't have control. So you just hover on the video and right click and show all the controls. The easiest way to resolve this problem, this hectic problem of media files and their support, is to upload the files online. Like you can use a platform like YouTube or TikTok. So when you upload them, they will convert your files into supported formats, and they will assign a unique ID to your video. So that unique ID will be used as the URL. So to link them in your browser, you include in iframe tag. Try to save and refresh. You will see a frame. So that frame, a thumbnail that you uploaded it on the YouTube or TikTok, will appear there. If the user clicks on that thumbnail or within the iframe, then it will play from the YouTube or where you uploaded the video. So now you include the source and the URL will go there. For example, it can be HTTPS. Just for example, try to go to YouTube if you are on internet and hover on any video, right click and copy video URL. So when you paste here, it will look like something similar to this. These are yes for you. Your learning speed doesn't matter, forward is forward. Actually, if these videos are benefiting you, you can give it a like, subscribe. Let me see you in the next tutorial for HTML, emojis, character sets and icons.